Whether you're stripping paint or shrinking tubing, a good heat gun is a game changer. Here are the best models that bring power and precision without breaking the bank. The Wagner SprayTech heat gun immediately caught my attention. With its blend of affordability and solid performance, it feels sturdy in hand, not too heavy, which makes longer tasks less tiring. With 2 temperature settings, it offers enough versatility for most DIY jobs, like paint removal or plastic bending. What stood out most was the consistent airflow and heating, which really helps avoid scorching delicate surfaces. I found it especially handy on smaller projects where precision matters. Using it felt straightforward, even if you're not a seasoned pro. Can you imagine finishing your paint stripping without the mess or stress? That's exactly the kind of convenience this heat gun delivers. However, I did notice that it lacks a variable temperature dial, which might limit fine-tuning for very specific tasks. Still, for the price, the Wagner SprayTech is a reliable companion that covers essential heat gun needs without fuss. If you want an easy-to-use, budget-friendly tool, this one should definitely be on your short list. At just under $14, the Yiguan heat gun is surprisingly capable and perfect for casual users or beginners. It's lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces or for quick fixes around the house. Despite its low price, it offers 2 temperature settings and a decent airflow that performs well on most small-scale tasks like thawing pipes or loosening adhesives. Its simple design means you won't get overwhelmed with options, but it does the job effectively. Have you ever struggled with a heat gun that's too bulky or complicated? This model feels like it was made for people who want straightforward, no-nonsense results. Just keep in mind that prolonged use might heat it up more than expected. If you're looking to try out a heat gun without spending much, the Yiguan is an excellent entry-level choice. It's proof you don't always need top dollar to get the job done well. The DeWalt heat gun with LCD display feels like a professional-grade powerhouse right from the first use. The digital screen is a game changer, allowing you to set precise temperatures quickly and monitor heat levels in real time, a feature you didn't know you needed until you try it. Its robust build and variable temperature range make it ideal for everything from delicate electronics work to heavy-duty paint stripping. The airflow is strong and consistent, and the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended projects. How much easier would your work be if you could control the heat exactly instead of guessing? With DeWalt, you get that confidence and control that really elevates your craftsmanship. The only downside might be its higher price, which could be a stretch for casual users. However, for anyone serious about quality and precision, this heat gun is worth every penny. Imagine finishing your toughest projects faster and with cleaner results. That's the DeWalt promise. The Romac heavy-duty heat gun surprised me with its solid performance in a very affordable package. It delivers strong heat output suitable for demanding tasks like paint removal or plastic welding. The design is straightforward and rugged, making it feel like a tool that can withstand frequent use. Its 2 heat settings provide enough flexibility for most jobs, and the grip feels comfortable even during longer sessions. I especially liked how quickly it heats up, saving time on impatient projects. Isn't it frustrating when a tool feels flimsy or underpowered? Romac avoids that pitfall with a no-nonsense approach that just gets the job done. On the flip side, it can get a bit noisy when running at full power, which might be a minor inconvenience. If you want a dependable heat gun that doesn't skimp on power or durability, Romac's offering is a smart pick. It's perfect for anyone who needs heavy-duty performance without emptying their pockets. The Seacone heat gun strikes a great balance between price and practical features. It's lightweight and easy to hold, which is a blessing for precision tasks like shrinking tubing or thawing frozen pipes. 2 heat settings cover most household and workshop needs without complicating things. What I appreciated most was its quick heating time and steady airflow, which helped me avoid burning or warping materials. The design includes a protective stand that adds safety when you need to set it down mid-task. Have you ever wished a heat gun could be both simple and effective? Seacone manages to hit that sweet spot. However, the plastic housing feels a bit less durable compared to heavier-duty models, so take care during storage. For those looking for a reliable, budget-friendly heat gun for everyday use, Seacone is a solid choice that won't disappoint. The Craftsman heat gun offers a step up in quality and versatility that's noticeable right away. It features variable temperature control, allowing you to fine-tune the heat for delicate jobs or heavy-duty applications with ease. The ergonomic handle and balanced weight make it comfortable to use for extended periods. During my tests, I found it heats up quickly and maintains temperature well, which is crucial for consistent results. The overall build feels sturdy and designed to last, reinforcing Craftsman's reputation for dependable tools. Wouldn't it be great to have a heat gun that adapts perfectly to every task? This model does exactly that, making it a great all-around tool for both professionals and serious DIYers. The price is mid-range, which may be a consideration if you only need it occasionally. Still, if you want a heat gun that blends control, power, and comfort, Craftsman delivers a reliable experience that makes tackling projects easier and more enjoyable. The Quirk Mini Heat Gun is an unexpected gem, especially given its tiny size and super low price. It's incredibly portable and perfect for quick, light-duty tasks such as craft projects, small repairs, or heat-shrinking wires. Its compact design fits easily in a toolkit or drawer without taking much space. Though it only has one heat setting, the temperature is sufficient for many basic jobs, and it heats up surprisingly fast. The lightweight feel means you can hold it steady for detailed work, which I found quite handy. Have you ever wished for a heat gun that's easy to carry and use on the go? This mini model fits the bill perfectly. On the downside, it's not suitable for heavy-duty or extended use, so keep expectations aligned with its size. If you need a simple, affordable heat gun for occasional light projects, the Quirk Mini is an excellent, no-frills choice that punches above its weight.